effective. Get some balls effective.
Drive. Now it's a jolly on portion of match.
Yo, perfect.
Underneath trench. Yeah, shoot those.
Perfect. Go.
No. Okay, take out.
Trying to find some of that.
Now collect balls. We have 20 seconds. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, take it to the left. Bring some balls.
Careful, be careful.
Remember, slow down. 12 seconds. Drop. 10 seconds. Take a couple more.
We have to go.
Yeah. 5,
Ready?
4, 3, 2, 1, shoot. Oh yeah.
Oh, yes.
There's so many out in this corner. Don't go depot. Do not go depot. Yup, there's more here. And now shoot these ones.
Grab some fuel. Let's see if they can score it into the hub. Yes, they can.
Okay, try going for some balls back.
Yo,
I'm gonna go for this one. Yeah. 5, 4.
Oh, sorry. Are you good?
1. I get balls.
Careful, intake.
Yeah. Now go down. Bring these balls. 20 seconds.
Okay.
CBA rotating, shoot and score. 85.
Ready?
Wait. 13 seconds.
You got helmet in deep.
Yeah. Wait.
The FedEx bounty hunters grabbing all fuel, pushing it over to the blue line side of the field.
On the other side. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh yeah! A bunch in this corner. A whole lot in this corner.
Bring it out. Take out.
Yeah, it's out. Yeah, in this corner.
In general. All against the wall.
Yeah. It's always here. Oh shit. Slower. Hey, keep on shooting for the rest of the match. Oh yeah. Yeah, more back in here.
Go.
Watch your depot. Nice.
Here.
Not yet. A bunch here. A bunch over there.
We can deploy intake over the depot.
Okay. I'm not gonna worry about the ball. Go for some more of the ball. 20 seconds. Bring him down. Just bring him down. Yeah, 15 seconds. Okay.
Let's go.
So many.
Seconds remaining in the match.